Good morning, students. I am Dr. Madhuri Chatterjee from Government College Chimanpura, and we continue now with the same story. The story has been written by Ruskin Bond, and he has been a winner of Sahitya Academy Award. So he is a very prestigious and very popular writer who has written innumerable stories and columns. And this is one story which you happen to have in your syllabus. And as I had already given you and told you about the story, this is just a small little story about an encounter between a boy and a girl. And this is a boy who has been traveling to Dehradun, and on the way in between, he comes across this station called Deoli. And because he's traveling by train, the story is called The Night Train at Deoli. The train stops for barely 2 minutes, and there he comes across this girl who has been selling baskets on the platform. Initially, he's reluctant to buy, but then he is, you know, the girl makes some kind of a impression on the boy, or there's a magic which happens, or for whatever reasons the boy happens to buy the basket, and he feels that there has been, this is a kind of an eternal bond, and they are forever sealed, and they would be all the future visions and stories you start dreaming about. So this boy, he before he could ask the girl the name, or before he could say that she would wait for him or whatever, the train starts moving. But he is very apprehensive, and uh, he's also very desirous about meeting the girl. When he's coming back from Dehradun again, he's going there to meet his grandmother, and obviously he would be returning back in a month or two. And there he wants to find the girl again. So I read this remaining. On his return journey, he looks for her and finds her. They are happy to see each other like long lost friends. They do not speak a word. Their silence speaks more than words. He feels like taking her with him, but does not do so. He tells her that he needs to go to Delhi, and she replies saying she needs not go anywhere, perhaps expressing her helplessness. Both of them separate unwillingly as the train leaves the station with the hope of meeting again. The meeting helps to break the monotony of his journey, the boredom, the monotony. It gives him a sense of attachment and responsibility towards the girl. Both during his journey and for a long time later on, he keeps thinking of the girl he met at the station at Deoli. As I'm again and again repeatedly saying, the girl made an imprint, it made a magic, it is an infatuation, it is love, it is just a age from which everybody passes. So it can be anything, but the the meeting definitely makes an impact on the boy, and this boy is the author of the story, and he tells that while returning back again, he finds the girl, nothing is exchanged, but the in the memory is sealed. The memory of meeting that girl is sealed in his mind forever. So the next summer, soon after his college term finishes, he hurriedly leaves for Dera is Dehradun. He visits to see his grandmother is just an excuse. He is eager to meet the girl once again. This time she is not to be seen at the Deoli station. Though he waits for a long time, this deeply disappoints him, and a sense of foreboding comes in. Now, again, when he's going on the while going to Dehradun, he had met this girl at Deoli station. Now, after a month of visiting grandmother, he's returning back, and he's very hopeful. He's very desirous that he'll find the girl again. He'll meet the girl again, but nothing such thing happened. There is no girl there on the station. Obviously, there are so many hawkers, there are so many people, there are so chai walas, there are so booksellers and everything, and it's not necessary that you remember or you meet the same person. This time she is not to be seen at the Deoli station, though he waits for a long time. This deeply disappoints him, and a sense of foreboding. Foreboding is a kind of a fear. What had happened to the girl? Has she been married off? Is she alive? Is she not? What? This, that. So all the thought comes to his mind on his way back to Delhi. He again waits anxiously to see a girl, but it ends in vain. On inquiry, on finding out, he comes to know that the girl had stopped coming to the station to sell her cane baskets, and nobody knows about her. Nobody seems to be knowing about it. Once again, he has to run to catch his train. He makes up his mind that he would definitely break journey there, spend a time in the town, make inquiries, and find the girl. So there's so much strong is the imprint that, although this time he doesn't stop, but the thought doesn't leave his mind, and he comes to kind of a decision that he would be definitely coming and getting down at Deoli station, go over, go across, meet people, and find out about the girl. So, this is the story uh, again, and I would take the conclusion in the next lecture. But I would appreciate if you read some more stories of Ruskin Bond. Thank you so much.